Hi, how many of you watching this video are serious in creating your career in digital marketing? Please type me in the comment box. Thank you. And how many of you are watching this video are not serious in creating your career in digital marketing, but looking at this video just from the perspective of getting some knowledge in digital marketing? Please type me in the comment box. Thank you. My name is Harish and I am the founder of Digital Gurukul. In this video, I will give you a quick 10 minutes crash course in digital marketing in which I will help you to understand the few concepts of digital marketing, which if you really apply in your business, you will see how your business is growing multifold. But before that, I want to thank each one of you who have clicked on this video and subscribed on my channel from the bottom of my heart for all of you could be doing many other important things at this point of time, but you chose to look at my video. So thank you very, very much. Before I share these concepts of digital marketing, one request which I want to make is please quickly go and grab pen, paper and pad so that you can also take down the notes. And believe me, these notes will be very, very helpful to you. And the other promise is that since all of you have given me your time, which is very, very important for, like I said, you could be doing many other things. I promise to add value in this time. So yes, so let's start the concept of digital marketing. Let's really understand a little about digital marketing. What is digital marketing? And in today's scenario, what is the benefit of using digital marketing in your business and many other things. So let us understand what is digital marketing. So any form of marketing campaign that is on digital media like laptop, mobile phone, tablet, or any other platform is like a digital marketing, or any other device. So any marketing campaign which is digital is called digital marketing. So let us now understand few concepts about digital marketing. So if you you will be surprised to know that more than 3/4 of Americans are online on a daily basis. So did you know that? Did you know that 3/4 of Americans are online on a daily basis? And not only that, 43% of Americans go online once in a day. And not only that, you will be surprised to know that 26% of Americans are online at any given point of time. And not only that, these figures are even higher when it comes to mobile internet users. 89% of Americans go online at least daily. Can you believe that? 89% of Americans go online daily, and 31% are online almost constantly. But you'll be surprised to know that India is not far behind. So these are the few facts about digital marketing. So essentially, if a marketing campaign involves digital communication or a digital medium, it is digital marketing. So digital marketing consists of different points. So there are various building blocks of digital marketing. So let me explain one by one in order to help you make clear, that how all of the building blocks, integrate together. So for that, I will have to share my screen with you. So let me quickly share my screen with you. So this is my screen, and I hope you are all able to see my screen. Yes, so these are the various building blocks which consist of digital marketing, which is website, social media. Then we have SEO, search engine optimization. We have content marketing. SEM is search engine marketing, community customer, inbound lead nurturing, email marketing, and PPC. So these are the various building blocks which consist of digital marketing. So let us understand, them one by one. So the first building block in digital marketing is the website. So these are the four kinds of website. We have corporate, landing pages, blogs, and e-commerce. So let's understand them, one by one. What is this? So corporate is a business website, which is usually owned by businessmen. Then we have landing pages. So what is landing paging? This may be a new term for you. So landing page has to do more with generating of leads or acquiring the leads. So if you see, when you are surfing a website, there is a page which asks you about your information such as name, email, and mobile number. So these are the landing pages. So most of the time, they trade your information, in return of, they will first give you a free booklet, PDF booklet, or a piece of music or something, and they will ask, and then they will ask for your information. So these are called landing pages, which is used for generating leads or garnering leads, asking for your information. This is the second type. Then we have blogs, and then we have e-commerce. So e-commerce, we all understand, are the websites where we can sell products online, like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, etc. So these are the four kinds of website, which is like the hub of your activities. Then comes social media. So we all understand social media. We have these kinds of social media: Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and many more such platforms. So if you see, Facebook is like a fun thing, Facebook is like a home. Then LinkedIn is like our own virtual office. Instagram is like more fun. Twitter is like used for short notes. It's like short pages. And YouTube is where we watch videos and where we learn many things. So there are many other kinds of platform, like Snapchats, etc. But essentially, these are the few social media which we are using in India. Then there is SEO, which is search engine optimization. So what is search engine optimization? Search engine optimization is when you are ranking on the first page of Google organically. You are not paying anything to Google, but you are using some tags or some special keywords in order to rank on the first page of Google. That is search engine optimization. Then we have the content marketing. Content marketing has blogs, it has podcasts, videos, and webinars. So these are called content marketing. Then we have SEM, which is nothing but search engine marketing, which I also shared, that search engine marketing is like running ad on Google. So it is also a very effective way to increase your presence in the internet world. So search engine, it is like running ad on Google. You can run different kinds of ad. It can be textual ad, it could be banner ads, it could be video ads. So but you have to pay Google to rank #1 on the website. So that's search engine marketing. So then comes community and customer. Community and customer is when you are interacting with the customer. So if you see, there are many websites in which you are directly chatting with the customer support. That is called community and customers. Then we have inbound lead nurturing. So inbound lead nurturing is when leads are coming to you organically and you are not paying for the leads, and then you are nurturing the leads. So inbound marketing lead nurturing involves building a rapport with the customers and then earning a reputation with a customer in order to gain customers' attention. That is inbound lead marketing. Then we have the eighth pillar is like email marketing. Email marketing is a very powerful kind of marketing. If you see, many times when we get a lot of mails are spamming our email box. So these are the kinds, these are called email marketing. When it's a very powerful way to promote products or services through email. And email marketing is one of the top digital media channel, and it is very important media channel for customer acquisition and retention. That is called email marketing. Ninth pillar is PPC, which is also called as pay per click. And Facebook is the very prominent and very popular way of PPC. That it is also a model of internet marketing in which advertisers pay a fee each time when their ad is clicked. And essentially, it's a way of buying visits to your website. So these are the 9 pillars of digital marketing. Quickly, repeating once again, the first pillar is website, and there are 4 kinds of website which I shared. Then we have social media. These are the 4 kinds of website. Then we have social media. Social media, we all know Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. Then we have SEO, search engine optimization. The 4th pillar is content marketing. 5th is search engine marketing, SEM. 6th is community customer. 7th is inbound lead nurturing. 8th is email marketing, and 9th is PPC. So these are the 9 pillars of digital marketing. So in short, this was the 10 minutes crash course in digital marketing. So I hope this information have added value to you. So if you have found this information useful, or you want me to do any next video in whatever topic you want me to do the video in terms of digital marketing, please send me an email at connect@digitalgurukul.co.in. So thank you very much for spending this time with me, and I promise to come back with a new video which will add further more value to you. So God bless. Thank you very much, and please do not forget to add value to people around you. Thank you very, very much.